In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to Microsoft Forms. This process is simple yet important, as it allows you to provide clear information to your users. Adding text helps set the context for your form, making it easier for respondents to understand what is expected of them. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Simply type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit enter. On the screen, you'll see various links related to Microsoft Forms. Look for the official Microsoft link, which typically appears at the top of the search results. This is crucial because it ensures you are accessing the legitimate site. Once you find it, click on the link to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already logged into your Microsoft account, you may be taken directly to the Forms homepage. However, if you are not logged in, the site will prompt you to enter your email and password. This step is essential because it secures your account and ensures you have access to your forms. After logging in, you should see a clean interface with options to create or manage your forms. Now click on the main form title block. This area is typically located at the top of your form. The form title block is where you can give your form a name that reflects its purpose. By clicking here, you activate the text field, allowing you to enter your title seamlessly. This title is the first thing respondents will see, so make it clear and relevant. With this step completed, your form starts to take shape. From there, click into the blank form description text box directly underneath the title. This box is designed for additional context, allowing you to elaborate on what your form is about. By clicking here, you prepare to add more informative text that can guide your respondents. This step is important because a well-crafted description can significantly enhance the user experience. It helps clarify any complexities and prepares users for what to expect when filling out your form. Finally, type your introductory text here. In this text box, you can include a welcoming message, time estimates, or any guidelines for filling out the form. Make sure your text is concise and easy to understand. This is your chance to communicate directly with your respondents, so be thoughtful about your wording. Once you have entered your text, you can see it appear on the screen, confirming that your changes are saved. By following these steps, you've effectively added text to your Microsoft form. This addition enhances clarity and provides valuable context for your users. Remember, clear communication is key to a successful form. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature helpful in your future projects.